guys are definitely gonna want to stick around till the end of the video to see how this thing turned out. Yo, what is up, guys? We are back with another episode of Andreas Does Art. Oh yeah. And today I got another challenge for myself on the table. To start things off, I just want to give a big shout out to the man, the myth, the legend himself, Tony Martian. You're awesome, dude. A while back, me and him were collabing, and I feed off a lot of inspiration from other artists, and specifically Tony. He's got such a unique style, and this was the collab we ended up making. And I did this one particular pink line design that was a mixture of this weird cityscape and different creatures. And it was a very small part of the overall piece, but what I decided to do was recreate that piece and make it a painting of its own. Let's get to it.
Super sick painting. And one thing that came about, I did these pink line drawings of this city slash creature scape. I want to take this individual piece and turn it into a painting of its own. So I'm gonna do a painting of that on a canvas. Go hit the studio.
Get this image, I was using my knees and toes.
Well, this was awesome. Thanks again, Tony, for all the inspiration you give me. Let me know what you guys think of this piece. This was cool to recreate something I already did. You know, the idea is already there. So it was fun to just feed off of it and see what it grew into. I definitely want to look for some more ideas in some of my old art that I can recreate. But till then, thanks for checking it out. I appreciate you guys. You're fucking awesome. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's it. We're done. I'm out. Peace.